I'm here.
Is that Kim?
No, I came, mama.
Okay, come in.
The place nice though, Miss Mattis. Nah, I no like look good.
Good evening, miss.
The TV biggie, how an inch, 200?
No, it's actually a 50-inch.
It look big. How them say teacher not get no money? Yes. Hope you look nice, do you look? Me say look clean. At first, me actually I see up close and personal. You look so clean. Only thing you don't need, I look at toning. Me can go for bleaching cream.
No. That's okay.
No, not take
No, that's okay. That's okay. I'm fine. So why I invited you here today? We are having a problem with your daughter.
My daughter?
She's being disrespectful to other students.
No, yeah. My nice, clean, good body daughter. Yes, let me tell you something. Me make sure tell my parents that she not take no garlic. We not take garlic in the ghetto, a bad place we come from. So we not take garlic. Me tell herself no garlic or she clot them back.
But Miss Lisa, this is a school.
No. The ghetto is a school itself. You understand what I say? And we in a ghetto, we not take lick because if we take lick, we will get marked for the rest of our life.
No, but because we are a school, we cannot have students disrespecting other students.
This is not a matter of disrespecting. You get what I said? The other day a girl stepped to me, you know. And when me diss her, you know, when me done her nice, you know, miss, I celebrate, you know, like good celebrate.
We cannot have students disrespecting other students.
Miss, first of all, me teach my people everything. From day one, teach her the ropes. Because I know how you work things in the ghetto. You get what I say? I don't know what kind of picnic you will teach, you know. But you see my picnic? My picnic is a different kettle fish. You get what I say? First of all, our father did. A long time, gunman kill our father. Not to mention our grandfather. So I have nobody to help me with her. I just me alone and God. You get what I say, miss? So I don't know play thing that she have to defend herself. Me personally give her a knife to walk with in her bag and she take you out. So she's not allowed with it at school. You get what I say?
But Miss Lisa, we can't have this kind of attitude.
Just relax yourself, man. So you have one, so you know what? Not because I'm my daughter. Miss me teach my people manners. Me tell her so when she pass big people, she's supposed to say man and so. You understand what I say? Because that they would learn. But at the end of the day, she's not supposed to make no girl list or step to her. But bad to bad, miss. Since I'm there, me want to talk to you about something. I want to talk to you about though is why you make the picnic them uniform so long? You want to sell material? No. The picnic them hot, you know. You want to see the picnic them that they long something like them are none. Them are not none. You don't want to put on a long something for them. Miss me not understand how comes you for tell me say my picnic disrespectful. First thing me no make my girl short and nah. She have everything she wants. When I talk about shoes, she have Nike, she have Reebok, not to mention Clarks. But we go for days without eating no food to make sure that my picnic is the latest brand, you know. Because that matter to me as long as she look good, me look good. You get what I say, miss? And that you do too. You look good. You look like you have a rich man and mind you.
Okay, well you know school have rules.
Miss, I try to cut out the argument.
No, we're just trying
You look
to
like
keep,
you have a rich man. That's right.
we are just trying to keep on the topic while you're here.
And you know, say the other day my daughter turned 15. She have a nice big man where take care of her. The man about 40 something. And the man take care and the man mind her and the man send her to school enough time when I have no money. She just go to the man and the man give her money and the man will give her something to give me too. You get what I say? And sometimes like if him see me, he will give me a nanny or something just to buy a drink. I'ma take it. Yeah, then she come home with one black and blue. Yeah, come tell me say she go done with the man. Me say if you ever done with the man, girl, you come out of my house. Because the man of mine are, I tell her she have to suck up the lick. You understand what I say? She have to take the lick because enough girl get lick and not get nothing. She get something that take lick. You get what I say? So she not no choice. She's supposed to get the lick. She's supposed to get lick now and then. You understand? A little lick for shake her up.
Well, Miss Lisa, I have an idea. I am going to recommend you to a family counselor. I think you and Kim need to see a family counselor.
Miss, Which palm to get them the money they from? No, which palm to get them money they from? I don't understand.
Calm down, Miss Lisa.
No, but Miss, I don't have no money.
Better yet, we have a guidance counselor at the school.
Guidance counselor chat people business too much.
Miss Lisa, this is for Kim's own good.
Miss, me tell Kim say all she have to do a graduate. I don't want her to do nothing else. I want her to get a nice look work at the wholesale when she done graduate. She can get 3 or 5 subjects, you know, no matter to me. I just want graduate. I just want her for graduate because it told me never graduate. But it read from me about 14 or 15. So one out of 2. But it read from them time there. So I want her to do a graduate, then she can think about to get pregnant after graduate. You understand what I say? Get a walk down at the China man's store. So I go talk to her. I talk to her for you. And make sure you know what I want. You understand what I say? You done, miss?
So I'm going to set an appointment for you on Monday.
Miss, on Monday, I go up on the road. On Monday, I do my business. On Monday, I do my look.
Miss Lisa, which day is available for you?
Any day apart from Monday.
Alright, so we'll do it for Tuesday at 10 a.m.
No. You say Tuesday now. A Tuesday, I go stay with my boyfriend. You understand? In a country in Leeds.
Miss Lisa, stop. This is getting out of hand.
Alright. Me stick to Wednesday then. Wednesday alright for you?
Okay, so Wednesday at 10 a.m.
Alright. See you Thursday at 10 a.m.